Always, it's not financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. Always on your own research. Now let's check out the golden line. So we are looking at their website, and first thing that we can notice that this is not sketchy, fly-by-night operation. We can see this is clean, professional, and institutional quality. So the golden line is a division of strategic group. Their embassy registered with FinCEN. So that's money service businesses, which is the federal regulatory classification for a type of invested operation. So they're also FDIC partnered, and which means client deposits are held in FDIC insured banking institutions, which is really important thing to know. So they're going up to 5 million in coverage through their sweep network, and it's actually more coverage than most traditional banks offers, which is really important stuff to know. They also have full AML and KYC compliance, so anti-money laundering, and know your customers, which are the same regulatory frameworks that major Wall Street institutions operate under. And right here you can see for the open your accounts, you can see standard is $250, and you can see it's going all the way up to expert, which is over $250,000. So you can see for the standard you're getting Forest, AI Trading Trust. We can see where you're going up. You can see we are getting more things like Forex, AI Trading Stocks right there, cryptocurrencies. By going to the Pro, we can see it's added ERA, and also by going full the way up, you can see on the experts we have everything of this plan, which is amazing thing to see. So now let me open my account. So if you don't have your account, you'll need to click right here, open account. And right here you can see some things. So we can see right here you need to put your first name, last name, phone, email, and you just need to create your number. But if you already have an account, you just need to click login. And this is how it looks when you connect your account. So first thing you can see, we can see the dashboard is open, and you can see total portfolio. For me right now it's $13,000. You can see pre-IPO and also pre-IPO hold and bonus and credits. Also right now on the right side we can see by scrolling down live prices from the coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and keep going. On the left side we can see a dashboard, deposit and withdrawal, trading accounts, web trader, my profile, documentation, ID verification, contracts, support tickets, and pre-IPO and IPO, which is really cool thing to see. So right here you can see where the dashboard is open. You can see it's secured by Stripe, which is a really important stuff to know because it's meaning your payments are secured. But again, this is not financial advice, and you're doing everything on your own. So right now by clicking deposit and withdraw, we can see some other things. So you can see deposit, withdraw, and history. So if you want to check your history, you just need to click right here. And by scrolling down, you first need to set the account that you want to do. So this is my account right now. If you have multiple accounts, you by clicking here will be able to see all the accounts that you have to operate with. So you can see you need to choose your payment method. So there is a wire cryptocurrency, USDT, and also the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. Also there is a check. So everything besides wire have 22% have zero fee, and just wire have $25 fee, which is really not much. Also you will be able to choose the amount that you want to deposit or withdraw. And now let's check something else. So one really important section is support ticket, where you can ask if you have any questions. You just need to click contact right here or create ticket, and you'll be able to ask anything that you don't understand how it's working. So you'll be able to contact their team and to ask anything that you don't know, which is really important for anyone because that's meaning you can ask some questions and have everything settled after they give you answer. And right now, one of the biggest IPOs in the history of financial markets are coming. OpenAI, Sam Altman's company, the creator of ChatGPT, is targeting a valuation of 300 to 340 billion. So that makes it the largest tech IPO ever recorded. So this is really important stuff to know. So the demand is already set to be 300 times oversubscribed, which is really massive number to see. There is also SpaceX, Elon Musk's rockets, and Starlink company is anti-capped to the public with a valuation somewhere between 200 and 210 billion. So this is a company that has fundamentally changed the economics of space, and the upside for early investors is really massive. And Unreal Industries, so Palmer Lucky's AI-powered defense company, is in filling stages with a valuation north of 80 billion and growing really fast. So there's also the retail investors, so the average person cannot get get allocation in those deals through Fidelity, so they cannot get it through also Shield. So these allocations go through institutional investors and connected platforms. So Greatline is one of the platforms with access to the pre-IPO positioning for the ARR level account holders, which is really important stuff to know. So this meaning the Golden Line has the option for that APO, which is really important to know. And right now you're looking at their Twitter profile, which have almost 1,000 followers, which is a really good number to see. And also they have over 40 posts, which is really good thing to see. So they're actually active on social media, which is really important stuff to know. So because of that, we're going to drop a follow right now. And by scrolling down, we can see what are they posting. So their first post is on July of 17th, and we can see some about stocks for Arizona, Asia chips, TEL. So you can see right here, you can see it's also United Health plus 70%, and something about, like I told you before, stocks, profit for the quarter 2 of TSMC, and 1,000 impressions are really impressive to see because this is really selected target of people for this type of things. So if you're interested in this, I highly recommend you to check their social media and everything, because you can see that this is everything that is happening with Golden Line, and you'll be first know when some changes are happening. So that wraps up our overview of the Golden Line. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and drop towards the comment section down below. Stay informed, stay curious, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.